गाइस आपको फ्रेजेस बताएंगे आज और यूजुअली 3 फ्रेजेस देयर मीनिंग एक्सप्लेनिंग देम एंड यूजिंग देम. So let's take one by one. These phrases are in a rat race. In a rat race. In a rat race, number 1. Number 2 is a leading issue. A leading issue. And number 3 is carry the can. Carry the can. So let us take first. In a rat race means from pillar to post. Today's life is very mechanic life, coming from one place, going to the another place, and daily coming and going, and from pillar to post, busy life. So this in a rat race means a busy life, ये horrified busy life, जिसमें आदमी को फुर्सत नहीं होती है. तो I am not in a rat race. I quit rat race and adopted to live a simple life. Simple life. I am not in a rat race. And very few people will like from the village to go and to be in a rat race in the town. तो rat race का मतलब होता है mechanical life, busy life and cut-throat life. So I am not in a rat race. Mechanical life, busy life. And second is a leading issue. A leading issue means eye-catching problem. So you just look around and you will find that there are a lot of problems. Maybe your social problem, maybe political problem, climate change is a leading issue. Nowadays, climate change is leading issues. And what more, secularism is a leading issue. Secularism of the country is a leading issue now. So there may be lot of leading issues in social, political. So leading issue is eye-catching problem, eye-catching. eye-catching problem जो होते हैं वो लीडिंग इशू होते हैं. जैसे आज का लीडिंग इशू क्या है, तो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इज ए लीडिंग इशू to government of India. Unemployment is a leading issue. अच्छा, carry the can का मतलब होता है taking responsibility. इसका क्या मतलब होता है, जैसे जो आदमी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेता है, जैसे who will carry the can if something happens? Who will carry the can if something? अगर कुछ होता है तो रिस्पॉन्सिबल कौन होगा? If anything happens in the campus, the principal has to carry the can. The principal has to carry the can. To carry the can का मतलब taking responsibility. So guys, these are very important phrases. In a rat race means very busy and mechanical life, horrified life, and leading issue means some eye-catching problem like climate change, like dowry system, like any system, education system, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Carry the can का मतलब होता है taking responsibility. If something happen, I will carry the can. कुछ होता है तो मैं उसकी जिम्मेवारी लेता हूँ. तो this is all for today. Thank you so much.